Is your Vizio TV connected to the internet, but your apps just won't load? It's incredibly frustrating when the connection bar is full, but Netflix is stuck on a spinning wheel. Don't worry, because I'm gonna help you get back to your favorite shows right now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Vibes. This glitch usually happens because of a handshake error between your TV's software and your home network. It means the data is there, but the apps are essentially lost trying to find it. Let's dive straight into the fixes. Step 1 is the classic power cycle. Unplug your Vizio TV from the wall outlet and wait a full 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 seconds to drain any residual energy. Plug it back in and try your apps again. Step 2 involves checking your system time. Go to your system settings and ensure the time and date are set to auto. If your TV's internal clock doesn't match the app server's clock, the connection will be blocked for security reasons. Step 3 is a soft reset within the menu. Navigate to System, then select Reset and Admin followed by Soft Res. This restarts the TV's internal computer without deleting your downloaded apps or login info. Step 4 is the DHCP toggle. Go to your network settings and then manual setup. Turn DHCP off and then turn it back on. This forces your router to assign a fresh IP address to your television. Step 5 is changing your DNS settings. In that same manual setup menu, change your DNS to Google's public server, which is 8.8.8.8 for the primary and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary. This is often much faster and more reliable than your ISP's default settings. Step 6 is checking for a firmware update. Even if your apps aren't loading the system, Update tool might still work. Go to System and select Check for Updates to ensure your Vizio is running the latest software version. Step 7 is the clear memory trick. Go to the app catalog and look for the specific app that isn't working. Highlight it and see if there is an option to clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted. Step 8 is a router reboot. Unplug your internet router for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Sometimes the TV is fine, but the router is blocking the specific ports that streaming apps need to function. Step 9 is to try a mobile hotspot. Connect your TV to your phone's cellular data temporarily. If the apps work on your hotspot, you know for sure the issue is with your home internet provider and not the TV hardware. Step 10 is the final resort, which is a factory reset. Go to System, then Reset and Admin and choose Reset to Factory Settings. This will wipe everything and make the software like new, so make sure you have your login passwords ready. Here is a pro tip for you. If your Vizio TV is old or the built-in SmartCast is constantly lagging, consider buying a cheap external streaming stick. These devices are often faster and receive more frequent app updates than the TV's built-in software. If you hit a snag or these steps didn't work for your specific model, leave a comment below. I check the comments constantly, and I will reply to you within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved your movie night, please like and share it, then subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fast tech solutions. You've got this and your TV will be up and running in no time.